Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can take screenshots of your PC or laptop. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So there are several ways to do this. So first and the easiest way to do this is to press print screen on your keyboard and go to Microsoft Word or something that you can paste from your clipboard, and here just press on Control V. Now this is going to paste the screenshot on your document. So that is one way to do it. Another way is to go to your start menu here and search for snip and sketch, this one. So when you open this one, it is going to give you an option to do a new snip. So let's click this one. And when you do, you will have several options here. Now, the first one here is called rectangular snip. So if we choose this one, we can actually draw a rectangular shape, and this is going to be our screenshot. So it is going to be saved in here. And whenever you do a snip, you can actually mark it up if you need to, like so. Or you can also do a highlight, like so, or you can also crop the image, like so. Now after that, you can click on the check icon here to save it, and it will be saved in your pictures folder. All right, so another way to bring this out is actually to hold down the Windows key on your PC, Shift and the letter S. So it is also going to bring you out these options. Now for other options, this one is a free form snip. So what you can do is you can actually draw which part or area of your screen you want to take a snip. So for example, if it's this one, so it is going to take that part of your screen as your snip. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.